A mother took to social media to seek justice after her daughter's school sent her child home alone after arriving late. The incident has sparked a lively debate online, with many users expressing concern over the safety and well-being of the child. Some argue that the school's decision to send the child home was an inappropriate form of discipline, while others believe that there may be more to the story. Let's take a look.
I have every right to use my phone for whatever. So they just literally kicked me out of the school building, and now they're saying I cannot make a video with my phone. Oh, guy, if you touch my phone, you will not like what I'll do to you. If you touch my phone, you will not like what I'll do to you. Because all of you here, don't touch my phone. Do not touch my phone. Favor came to school by 8:30. Favor came to school by 8:30, and they threw her out of school. They don't know if I'm at home or not. Not for any reason, because she came late. If I was the one that drove Favor to school by 8:30, I'm definitely sure they will not throw her out of the school. If she came with the school bus, sometimes the school bus gets to school by 10. They will definitely not throw her out of the school. And I called the principal on the phone immediately Favor got home, because I was shocked. I was about leaving the house, and then she said the man started insulting him on the phone and cutting the phone off. I have to come physically, and he's doing the same thing. This school, Book Workshop College, Onilewura, in Ikotu, is a school.
All right, I tried to see if there's a statement from that Book Workshop College, but I haven't seen any statement yet. This was trending all over social media yesterday. Dr. Abate, I feel like you wanted to say something right away.
Okay, I was just going to say that, look, schools, teachers, they have a duty of care.
Yes.
They stand in loco parentis. And parents, when they see that there is a breach of that responsibility, parents would feel really bad. The woman reacting, whose video was shown there, I was even a bit restrained. Some other mother would have, taken the laws into her hands.
Oh, well, did you see the entire clip?
Well, I didn't.
Oh.
I'm commenting on what I saw.
Yeah.
I mean, we've had cases of some parents going to a school to go and beat up teachers for having the temerity to beat a child that they are spending so much to train. However, the issue here is...
No, they did not beat the child. They sent the child...
No, I'm giving you another example that had happened before. Now, in this particular case, two emphases: lateness. Okay, even when a child comes late, right, and you want to send the child home, the other emphasis is alone. What is the age of that child? What if anything happens to that child going home alone? That's the part of it that I cannot understand. What most schools will do under the circumstances, if they want to insist on discipline, that the child must be punctual, they will call the mother or they will call the father. So in this case, this woman was not contacted. You just send the child away. Well, that's a bit, that's a part of it that many will not understand. However, there are two sides to the story. That school has been mentioned publicly. Book workshop, you said?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So I think the school also has a responsibility
to
come and tell their own side of the story. What exactly happened, and why would any teacher send the child home alone? And after the mother complained, what steps did the school take, either in terms of an apology or reassuring the woman, and what structure are they putting in place to ensure that students don't come late and that they are never sent home alone? In this Lagos, where there are kidnappers, you send an innocent child home alone?
It's unfortunate.
I'm looking at the video. The fuller video is actually embarrassing to the school.
It is, yes.
So, Dr. Bat, in terms of what their response was, if they apologized, it doesn't look like these people were ready to apologize. It looked like they were spoiling for a fight. In fact, there were times whereby the principal and then other teachers came to try and grab the phone from her and almost manhandling, the parent. There are a lot of emotions involved when it comes to a child. Number one, this is her child. A lot of things would have gone through her mind in terms of what could have happened to her by them sending him or her, actually, I don't know if he's male or female, home because the child came late. So female, came late to school. If anything happened, what would the school say? Oh, we apologize. You cannot, it is a very, very difficult thing
for them to have done, and I might even stretch irresponsible
Yes.
for the school to do. Now, we don't know the backstory in defense of the school, whether they've been warning repeatedly that, if you come late to school, this is going to be the consequence. We're going to send you back home. If they said it a number of times. However, it still talks about this. We've had too many issues, and it's not just about Book Workshop College. Other schools that we've had challenges about the safety of children in school, and even the way they handle children off the premise of the schools. Maybe we need a bit more, a closer oversight of schools, especially maybe the lower end private schools and even public schools, to be fair, whereby some teachers, principals will get away with almost anything and protect their image rather than protecting the interest of the child. As was said, no statements yet from the school.
Yes.
I hope that the Parent Teachers Association, we need to talk about that a bit more, the PTA, should come together and hold the school to account.
Yes.
Why did they take that action? And if there needs to be an apology, let them do it and not only try to cover their school and protect the image of their school at the detriment of a child.
Well said, Ayo.